Do you edit in Premiere Pro? Then you need Velocity FX V5. Our pack is significantly more affordable than most alternatives, without sacrificing quality. We tried the competition and then made our own pack. Our pack has shake effects, flashes, transitions, zooms, and way more. Just buy our pack once, and you will get all future updates for free. No effects, no energy. Let's fix that.
Crew type shit. I got a bad bitch at home, voodoo type shit. Take down Megan Stallions by the group.
Get a little mask, I walk the street. You hit bang bang, but it's not Chief Keef. Ride out famous, the sound of the G. Why they mention my name is if I'm not a tweak. Had a brace on my ankle, still fucking my heat. The people is listening, I'm a TP and the nigga.
The trim on a bitch, I go too hard. From the streets out the zoo, we in your yard. Hear my bad stuff and blues in the go yard.
Buy now and take your video projects to the next level.